As we saw a couple of minutes ago, Ryan, there's some truly dreadful weather in parts of the country right now, so we can't complain too much about what we're getting in Maine.
Absolutely right. We've had a lot of rain, but it hasn't come in the form of the extreme flooding that we've seen in other places so far, which is some good news. But Pat, certainly a wet month so far through the 13th, which is today, 9 days with rainfall, and that matches what we saw for the entire month of June. And in Portland, about 4 3/4 inches of rain. That's more than an inch ahead of the entire month's average. So it certainly has been wet around here. Fortunately, we have avoided any flooding issues so far. And we've needed the rain. Now I think we're at a place where we can take a break for a little while, but Mother Nature not helping us out in that regard so far. There is still some sunshine, though, in far eastern Maine. A strip of showers working through the middle of the state. And some of these showers are coming down fairly steadily, especially on the mid-coast right now. That's where some of the heaviest rain is falling. Doesn't last too long, though. These showers are moving on, so there is steady rain. Camden, Rockland, over to the north side of Damariscotta Lake around Jefferson and Whitefield. Augusta getting into some rain, lighter rain around Waterville, but some of these steadier showers near the Belgrade Lakes are headed your way. Up in the mountains, we do have some showers roaming through the Carabasset Valley to the north of Bethel right now as well. But there is a break in western Maine with some lighter rain and just some drizzle in spots, and the rain is starting to taper now in southern Maine as well. You can see where we've been under the clouds and showers only in the 60s to the south, but 70s to the north. It's nice and actually not too humid in Millinocket right now. Dew point there 58. Elsewhere the dew point is around 60, so it is a little bit muggy outside right now. Stalled front to our south, warm front to our south too, and there is warmer and more humid air that's going to be heading our way for the rest of the week. For this afternoon, those showers will tend to come to an end. So if you have early evening plans, most places should be dry. I can't rule out a shower, but it will turn drier for the evening hours. Overnight, we hang on to the clouds, dropping down to around 60. A chance for some showers tomorrow morning, once again. Unlikely to be as steady or as widespread as we've seen this morning, but some of those showers will actually make it into eastern and northern Maine for a change tomorrow as well. Clouds hang on into tomorrow afternoon. That keeps us cool as well, and this cool, stable air should prevent a line of showers and thunderstorms from making it out of the mountains. That's where a late day thunderstorm is most likely tomorrow. The rest of us, it's just showers with this southerly breeze, keeping us in the 60s to around 70 for high temperatures tomorrow. Thursday, though, we start off with some clouds and likely some fog mid-coast and down east, and then a return to more summer-like weather, back up to around 80 degrees in most spots, and perhaps into the upper 80s in parts of western Maine. That's going to come with increasing humidity too. Not only is it warm, but it will be quite humid from Thursday into Saturday. And for the weekend, we'll be watching this approaching front, which will try to break down the warmth and humidity. Looks like it comes in on Saturday. That's the highest chance for thunderstorms in the forecast. Seas today 2 to 3 feet, an easterly wind 5 to 10 knots on the water this afternoon. Highs in the low 70s inland, some sunshine to the north of Bangor, clouds and showers tending to diminish as the afternoon goes on. Scattered showers again tomorrow, then the sun returns on Thursday. It's warmer into the 80s. Friday looks pretty nice at this point, 80s with some hazy sunshine. Thunderstorms are likely on Saturday, and then Pat, Sunday and Monday look unsettled with at least a chance for showers at this time.
I think I'm glad I got my lawn cut last weekend when it was dry enough for a little while.
You'll probably have to do it again soon, though, after all this rain.
Drinking it right up. Thank you, Ryan.